Every so often we get hail. And look, in Southern California, look, it looks like it's snowing. Hope my car don't get it. Ooh, we're getting wet. And we're getting hit. Isn't that cool? Yay, it's raining and it's hailing. I just hope I don't get hit in the head. Okay. Oh no, that's too cold. Woo! I can't even survive. A California girl who can't survive all this. And it's starting to melt. Look, where our so-called white Christmas and our broken thermometer. Woohoo!